Hi there. Today is actually quite a special day for us. We are exactly 6 months and 2 days. That's right, 6 months, half a year since Driveli has been originally launched back in January the 12th. I remember it like it was yesterday because every day, every week has been a combination of a struggle and a roller coaster ride. I just want to say a very big thank you to everybody that's been supporting us and following us. So we created a bit of a montage of everything that we've gone through our 6-month period. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you continue to stay with us on this ride. Thank you. Car tinting,
One-stop tin shop.
what's the state of play with taking lessons and finally taking a test? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to register and set up your account in just 6 easy steps. There are other platforms out there, undoubtedly. My name is Sam, and this is another one of our scheduled meetings for Driveli.
Experience of learning to drive was fine. We had an instructor and we obviously took them out as well.
Sure. I feel like I need to get at least 3 coffees a day. Hi there, my name is Sam, and today we've actually started making the phone calls. Recently, with the war that's going on, it is being scheduled for the price of fuel to go up. Hi, yeah, I'm here with one of my best friends, Maz. Maz is
What?
No, it's just the one.
Okay, just.
All right. There's a particular lady that we've promoted on our brochures, on our flyers. So she'll be somewhere wrapped around here. You work around, especially them wanting to know what kind of routes that you have. We wanted to do everything to do with startups, our struggles, our pains, our just general maintenance of not only the website but just speaking to instructors. Everything was brand new to us really. And we're just going to set up the podium, and if you want to just follow me.
Sam, great. Glad I bumped into you. I really wish you'd heard that call I was on just now. Do you remember Amy?
Amy from last week?
Yes.
Right, okay.
Well, that was her friend Martin. So yeah, Amy had told Martin about us, which is great already. People are talking about us and talking about us positively.
Yeah. Chats with instructors, with Driveli. So I'm here with Isaac from Ikefam Driving School.
Yes.
Been operating in January. There's always been this situation where we need to know who's doing what. An important friend of mine is not just someone that works here at Driveli. I met Nick.
So if you have some backup from your franchisee driving school, they take the matters and then we have to provide the information, how it's occurred and all.
Taking lessons, what was your experience like?
Well, it was alright, like it all depends on these driving instructors, like I said, how friendly the driving instructors.
Okay, so this is the video that I've been waiting to do for quite a while. It's our 6-month mark. We are officially half a year into Driveli, and I'm just thinking back to when we first launched. If you look at my first video 6 months ago when we were at our previous office, you know what, it's amazing how we grew out the office almost within the next few months to where we are right now, where we're interviewing instructors, speaking to learners and getting their feedback. So I just want to give a quick shout out to Noreen, Bav, Nagma, Isaac, who was really one of our first instructors that we managed to interview. He was absolutely instrumental. So I just want a big thank you out to them. I would say what we've got waiting for you for the next 6 months is going to be absolutely wild. We've got, just to let you know, within the space of 6 months, we've got 300 registered instructors on our platform. And I aim by the end of this year around 3,000 instructors, and you're probably thinking, well, if you got 300 in the previous 6 months, how are you going to achieve that? I think the marketing that we've got introduced and the way people are beginning to sort of let other people know about Driveli is insane. So listen, stay with us, stick with us, and just wait what we've got in store for you.